Here's how to fix there is a billing problem with the previous purchase. Now, it's pretty simple to do. Just make sure you watch this to the end so you don't miss any important steps. But the first thing we want to do is, as you can see, this is a photo of the billing problem that it will pop up, the error that you will see. And I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now, it's pretty simple. You just head over to Safari, and as you can see, I've pulled up this message from the official Apple website, which is basically saying why the billing problem may be happening. This is because verification is often required, or you may need to change your payment method. And these are just two of the many ways that you can actually fix this. You just want to leave this and you head over to settings. And once you're here, you just click on your name at the top. And then you want to click on the payment and shipping option. Once you click on that, it's actually going to bring your face verification or ask you to enter your password and bring you to your page like so. And it'll actually show you your card information, etc. And from here, what we want to do is we can either remove the payment option, click on done, back, or next, but instead of doing any of that, how we actually fix this problem is we just want to go over and click on where it says back. Once we go on back, we just want to click on the option that is the Apple ID and then go back to settings. Now, once we've done this, we just want to go back to this website right here. As you can see, this basically will show you all the steps to fix this problem, show you all 8 steps to fix it, which is basically showing all the requirements you need to fix this problem with the billing purchase previous error. And once you do this, you just go back to settings. Once again, you click on your profile icon, and then you want to click on subscriptions this time. Now, once you click on subscriptions, it's basically going to bring you to this page like so. And from here, you can currently see my active subscriptions and inactive subscriptions. And if there was an error with one of these subscriptions or purchases, for example, what you want to do is you want to exit out of that, go back to Safari, and at the very bottom, this will actually show you the family sharing option. Now, this is commonly the issue, and it will show you how to resolve it. You just go back to settings once again, click on your Apple ID, you can see it right there. You click on family sharing, and then as you can see, you want to click on the purchase sharing. Once you click on that, you can just click on continue or set up later, and this should fix your problem once you continue and set this up. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel so we can be the most subscribed egg on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching.